Evaluating vendor performance is often manual and labor-intensive, making it difficult to quickly identify vendors that consistently meet standards. Converting timeliness and quality into a single reliable performance score is often complex and time-consuming, and prolonged data collection and analysis slow confident, data-driven supplier decisions. To address these challenges, Vendor Performance Insights provides a single view of supplier delivery and product quality, so procurement and operations can identify underperforming suppliers, prioritize corrective actions, and make faster decisions. Vendor Performance Insights is a pre-built solution in the Infor Value Plus catalog that automatically produces an AI-powered vendor performance dashboard. The dashboard can be configured to add additional vendor data points or information as required. Infor AI calculates vendor scores based on past delivery time and quality and presents the information through an Infor Analytics dashboard. With better and on-demand insights, the purchasing team can make quicker, data-driven decisions, ensuring high-quality materials are delivered on time. The order's history is laid out in this detailed view. For each purchase order line, you'll see who supplied it and what was ordered, when it was placed, billed, and received, whether it arrived on time and in full, and the order versus received quantity, including any variance. Having the deeper order-level detail helps teams understand what happened on a granular level, pinpoint root causes, reducing time spent investigating, and minimizing repeat issues. Vendor Performance Insights puts vendor performance at your fingertips, automatically delivering the metrics you need without any manual data processing. You can confidently choose vendors that can consistently deliver on time and at the quality you expect.